Hello! Today I'm making chicken piccata. You can find the ingredients and their amounts in the video description below. When chopping the garlic, first cut away the edges. Then crush it with a knife to make it easy to remove the peel. Chop the garlic as small as you can. If you have a garlic press, that also works. Cut the chicken breasts in half, crosswise. Cover the pieces with plastic wrap and flatten them into an even thickness, about 1 centimeter. Chop some capers, then put aside 100 milliliters of white wine, which will be used for the sauce. Salt the chicken breasts on both sides. Then coat thoroughly with flour. Heat some vegetable oil on high heat. Fry the chicken pieces 2 minutes per side. You might need to do this in batches. Next, heat some olive oil on medium heat. Add the garlic and saute for about a minute. Then it's time for the white wine and capers. We need to combine water and butter to make the sauce come together. Stir everything continuously to create an emulsion. When it's well mixed, add all the chicken pieces. Move them around to ensure that each piece is perfectly coated. Once the sauce has thickened, turn off the heat and add lemon juice. Finally, season with salt. Right before serving, garnish with parsley to make it even more beautiful. I like to serve piccata with pasta and vegetables. The sauce goes very well on pasta and makes the entire dish extra delicious. Let me know which other recipes you'd like to see, and thanks for watching!